In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot in Outlook. If you want a cleaner Outlook experience, or you simply prefer not to use Copilot, the good news is that turning it off is usually very quick. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look, so you can disable it in just a few moments. To begin, open Outlook on your device and make sure you're fully loaded into the main screen. Once Outlook is open, take a look toward the top area of the window and find the gear icon. This is the Settings button, and it's where you can manage many of Outlook's features and preferences. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open the Settings panel. When the Settings area appears, you'll want to look through the available options until you find the section where Copilot appears. In some versions of Outlook, you may see it listed under the People category. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on your version of Outlook or your account type, so don't worry if it's not in exactly the same spot for everyone. Once you see Copilot in the settings, click on it to open its options. From there, you should see a toggle that lets you turn the feature off. Simply switch that toggle off to disable Copilot in Outlook. If you don't currently see Copilot in your settings, that can happen as well. In some cases, the feature may not be available yet, it may not be enabled on your account, or it may be managed by your organization. So if it's missing, that doesn't necessarily mean anything is wrong. It just means the option isn't visible in your current setup. After you turn the toggle off, the change should apply right away. If you still notice Copilot appearing, try closing and reopening Outlook to refresh the app. That can help the new setting fully take effect. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference if you want fewer distractions or if you prefer to use Outlook without AI assistance. Just remember the path. Open Outlook, click the gear icon, find Copilot in Settings and toggle it off. And that's all you need to do to disable Copilot in Outlook.